Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to Jakeily's World today. Today I'm gonna teach you some drawings with your hands. Okay, let's get started.
What are you gonna do first?
The dog. I'm not actually a great drawer, so at first I'm gonna make a dog. This way, dog. This is the tongue. It's supposed to be, and then somebody did without circles, and I'm gonna do with circles. Or is it? I'm actually not a great artist. Pencil did not work because I broke my other pencil. Okay, look good. Good. Dog. Guys, do you like my dog? If you do, thumbs up. And if you don't know how to spell dog, it's D-O-G. This is my dog. Now we're gonna do the turkey, guys. I'm gonna get my next paper. Now we're gonna do the turkey. I like it's turkey. Very easy, guys.
Let's roll up.
That's my turkey.
Roll up. Roll up.
Now the eye. And this is my turkey. If you don't know how to spell turkey, it's T-U-R-K-E-Y. Turkey. Next I'm doing an elephant. So guys, for the elephant I'm gonna trace my hand normal and then flip the paper over. I traced my hand, now I'm gonna flip it over. Yeah, we got an elephant. Smile. Is there lines on? This is my elephant, now I'm gonna color it. This time with marker. We're gonna do accuracy. Now we can color it gray. This is my elephant. This is how you spell elephant. L-L-L-L-L. This is how you spell elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. E-L-E. Boom. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notification, and the bell, and a big, giant thumbs up. And don't forget to watch any more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.